Railway teacher PRT PYQs English questions. First question, formative assessment is done at the end of the session. B, throughout standardized test only, throughout the teaching learning process, or by a special educator. इसका सही आंसर ऑप्शन सी, थ्रू आउट द टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस. Question number 2, students with dyslexia are likely to to eagerness to write long essays. B, have advanced vocabs. C, comprehend text with much ease. और B, reluctant to read. तो इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, बी, reluctant to read. Question number 3, choose the correct statement about the development. First, development is unidirectional and unidimensional. B, development is modifiable. Option C, development is totally genetically programmed. D, individual achieve a developmental milestone at the same age and pace. तो इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी, डेवलपमेंट इज मॉडिफिएबल. Question number 4, which of the following principle of the development proposes the children grain arms relatively earlier than of the fingers? The proximo-distal principle, cephalocaudal principle, independence of system principle और hierarchical integration principle. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का सही आंसर हो जाएगा proximo-distal principles. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, is the primary agency of socialization of children. First है social school, B, mass media, 3, religion, 4th family. तो ऑप्शन डी will be correct answer. Question number 6, which characteristic is seen among the backward learners? Option A, ability to analyze. B, objective based behavior. C, desire for vocation of reputed. C, inability to express idea. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 का आंसर हो जाएगा डी, inability. Question number 7, in which type of thinking does a person begin with multiple ideas and reaches one solution? First, convergent thinking. Second, vertical thinking. C, brainstorming. D, divergent thinking. इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा एंड ऑप्शन ए. Question number 8, which of the following cannot be achieved by using objective type test items? First, high degree of reliability, objectivity in scoring, wide content coverage. Option D, problem solving ability. इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एबिलिटीज. Question number 9, in which of the following method the existing knowledge is used to conclude? First, a positivistic method. Second, inductive reasoning method. C, deductive reasoning method. D, survey method. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 का सही ऑप्शन हो जाएगा C, deductive reasoning method. Question number 10, for learning to be effective, a goal must be meaningful in terms of A है standard of school, the curriculum objectives, the intellectual ideas involved. D है the learner's need and purposes. तो इसका सही आंसर है D. Question number 11, creative children cannot be identified through the battery of IQ test, B, certain observation techniques, C, aptitude test, and D, interview. The correct option will be option A, the battery of IQ test. Question number 12, behavior indication are used in learning theories given by. First है Kohler, second Hall, ऑप्शन सी है थॉर्नडाइक एंड ऑप्शन डी है स्कीनर. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी ऑप्शन डी, स्कीनर. Question number 13, conditions of learning were given by Skinner, B, Robert Gagne, C, Watson, D, Maslow. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 का सही ऑप्शन है रॉबर्ट गैग्ने, ऑप्शन बी. Question number 14, what is the term of motivating and developing people? First is student learning, leadership capabilities, vision and goal setting, shared leadership. Question number 14 का सही ऑप्शन will be B, leadership capabilities. Question number 50. What types of leadership can be built across all levels of school? A. Transformational leadership. B. Collaborative leadership. C. Shared leadership. D. Distributed leadership. Correct option will be option D. Distributed leadership. Question number 16. What type of leadership focuses on students' learning? A. Shared leadership. Distributed leadership, collaborative leadership, D. Transformational leadership. Types of leadership focuses on student learning. The correct option will be option A, shared leadership. Question number 17. The word curriculum is derived from the Latin word carrier, which means to develop, to guide, to assess, or to run. The correct option will be option D, means to run. Now question number 18. Education is dynamic side of philosophy. This statement was made by option A. John Adams, B. John Dewey, C. Pestalozzi, option D. Plato. The correct option will be option A. John Adams. Question number 19. Preparing the school timetables falls under the function of organizing, B. Planning, C. Directing, D. Reporting. The correct option will be school timetable falls under the function of planning. So option B will be correct answer. Question number 20. Children interact with their environment. Option A. Conscious, B. Unconsciously, option C. Continuously, and option D is non-continuously. So the correct option will be option C, that is continuously. Now question number 21. Question number 21. Development gets influenced by student personal factor, B. School climate, third social familial influences. So option A may have फर्स्ट और सेकंड थर्ड या फर्स्ट सेकंड और थर्ड। तो इसका सही ऑप्शन है कि फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड तीनों ऑप्शन सही है। अ प्रोग्रेसिव क्लासरूम गिव्स प्राइमेसी टू टीचर्स प्रेफरेंट स्टाइल ऑफ टीचिंग, completion of syllabus, exam centered pedagogies, option D students opinion and experiences. The correct option will be option D, the students' opinions and experiences. Question number 23. According to social cognitive view of learning, students learn best by A. Passive imitation adults, actively engaging with their environment, overt conditioning of behaviors, memorizing of decontextualized informations. The correct option will be option B, actively engaging with their environment. Now question number 24. Students tend to quick forget information which is first related to their lives, B. presented with relevant context, option C. presented in disconnected chunks, option D. elaborated through use of examples. The correct option will be option C. presented in disconnected chunks. The student tends to quickly forget information which is correct option is option C. Question number 25. A student should be encouraged to formulate dash goals. Should be encouraged to formulate goals. First, mastery oriented, B. performance oriented, C. work avoidant, D. competition directed. Correct option will be which goals? The correct option will be option A, mastery oriented. Question number 26. Which of the following influences learning positively? First, malnutrition, collaboration among students, punishment, fourth है metacognition. Which option will be correct? First, second, third, fourth, or second, fourth? The correct option will be option D, second and fourth. Now question number 27. A student plays an test role in the process of knowledge construction. Active, passive, docile or insignificant. So correct option is option A. Question number 28. Chapter 2 of NCF 2025 deals with learning knowledge, school class environment, institutional reforms, educational plans. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 28 का सही ऑप्शन है लर्निंग नॉलेज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 29. द ऑथर ऑफ द बुक द मेंटालिटी ऑफ एप्स गिवन बाय. ऑप्शन ए थॉर्नडाइक, बी कोहलर, सी पावलो, डी स्किनर. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी बी कोहलर, जिन्होंने चिंपैंजी पे किया था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज रिलेटेड टू कॉग्निटिव डोमेन. फर्स्ट है सिंथेसिस, बी इमिटेशन, सी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड डी आर्टिकुलेशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 30 का सही ऑप्शन है सिंथेसिस, ऑप्शन ए. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 31. Socialization is a process of A. Dynamic change, B. Transmission of culture, C. Involvement, D. None of these. Correct option will be option B. Transmission of culture. Question number 32. Cognitive development is also called as social development, emotional development, C. Moral development or mental development. So cognition development is also known as option D, mental development. Question number 33. Which of the following is a factor that affects learning positively? Option A, fear of failure, competition with peers, meaningful association, D, pressure from parents. Question number 33 का correct option है C, meaningful association. Okay, now we will solve question number 34. The name of theory advocating sudden solution to the problem is operant learning, theory of insight, trial of insight and conditioning. The correct option will be D, theory of insight. Question number 35. What is essential for good teaching? Remediation, diagnosis, compensation, all of these. Correct option will be all of these. Now this question number 36. The use of teaching aids is justified on the basis of optimizing students' learning outcomes, B, attracting student attention in the classroom, reducing disciplinary problems in the classroom, D, effective participation of the student in the learning task. The correct option will be option A, optimizing student learning outcomes. Question number 36. Textbooks helps in guiding students, guiding teachers, both A and B, none of these. The correct option will be both A and B. Question number 38. Which is the oldest library in the India? Asiatic Society Library Mumbai, Connemara Public Library Madras, Delhi Public Library Delhi, National Library of India Kolkata. The correct option will be D, National Library of Kolkata. Now next question is question number 39. The nature of teacher effectiveness is option A, scientific, B, artistic, C, both A and B, D, none of this. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 39 का करेक्ट आंसर होगा C, both A and B. ओके,
Next question is question number 40. The teacher is glorified as a friend, philosopher, and guide because option A. He acquaints a student with the higher values of humanity. Option B. He is a great patriot. Option C. A and B. Option D. None of these. The correct option will be option A. He acquaints students with the higher values of humanity. Question number 41. In the teaching learning process, the teacher plays an important role as facilitator, advisor, or participants. Option D. None of these. The correct option will be A. Facilitator. Question number 42. A good evaluation constant subjectivity, validity, bias, D. None of these. The correct option will be validity. Question number 43. Which of the following is not a type of evaluation? A. Formative, B. Debate, C. Summative, D. CCE. The correct option will be B. Debate. Question number 44. Evaluation is related to subject, learning process, objectives, D. All of these. The correct option is all of these. Question number 45. Which of the following statement is not related to curriculum? Option A. It is related to student learning experience. It is related to the study program. It is related to the teacher's professional development. D. It is the structure of curriculum design. The correct option will be option C. It is related to the teacher's professional development. Now question number 46. Curriculum is a part of option A. Teaching, B. Curriculum, C. Classroom, D. Society. The correct option will be option B. Curriculum. Question number 47. Maslow divided human needs into how many categories? A. 3 categories, B. 5 categories, C. 4 categories, D. 6 categories. The correct option will be option B. 5 categories. Okay. Now next. Learning is a natural process for living beings, boys only, girls only, all of the above. The correct option is A. Living beings. Which of the following does not play a role in teaching learning? Traditional classroom, teacher's experience, learning experience, past experience. Correct option is past experience. Question number 50. Dimensional teaching material includes models, charts, objects, or all of these. The correct option will be D. All of the above. Question number 51. Okay, Human Conferences 1972 was held at is called Paris, Geneva, या Australia. The correct option will be Stockholm. Question number 52. Sugam Bharat Abhiyan is associated with first, disabled person, B. child health care, C. option D. overprivileged people. The correct option will be A. disabled person. Now question number 53. Who is known as father of the Blue Revolution in India? First, Varghese Kuldin, Sam Pitotra, Hiralal Chaudhary, M.S. Swaminathan. The correct option will be C. Hiralal Chaudhary. Question number 54. Mudra Ultra Mega Power Plant is located in which state? First, Maharashtra, B. Gujarat, C. Goa, and D is Kerala. Where it is located? The correct option will be option B. Gujarat. Now, question number 55. Which of the following is not a center of iron steel industry in India? Bangalore, Salem, Dolvi, Durgapur. The correct option will be A. What does the Yellow Revolution in India primarily focus on? The increase in wheat production, enhancement of dairy industry, boosting oilseed production, D. improving rice cultivation of techniques. ठीक है, the correct option will be C. boosting oilseed production. Question number 57. The state of Hyderabad was merged into Indian Union in month and year. September 1948, November 1947, February 1948, February 1949. The correct option is A. September 1948. Who founded the Servants of Indian Society? First, M.G. Ranade, B. Anant Patwardhan, C. J.K. Gokhale, D. B.G. Tilak, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The correct option will be J.K. Gokhale. Where is the Pushkar Fair held? A. Bihar, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Rajasthan. The correct option will be D. Rajasthan. Which community get special provision for certain service in Article 336? Muslim community, Sikh community, Hindu community, or Anglo-Indian community? The correct option is Anglo-Indian community. When the office of Chairman of Council of State is vacant, then his or her duty shall be performed by which of the following? The Speaker of the House of the People, President of the India, Senior most member of the Council of State, Deputy Chairman of Council of State. The correct option will be Deputy Chairman of the Council of State. Okay. Now अब आते हैं next page पे जिसमें the coexistence of inflation and unemployment is called headline inflation, core inflation, stagflation, or deflation. The correct option will be C. stagflation. Question number 63. Which of the following is not an instrument of fiscal policy? Tax, government expenditure, bank rate, public borrowing. The correct option is C. bank rate. Question number 64. The weightlifter Mirabai Chanu belongs to which Indian state? The correct option will be A. Manipur. Environmental degradation means overall lowering of environmental qualities, adverse change brought in human activities, ecological imbalance, or all of the above. The correct option is